Fix Personal Hotspot not working after update on iPhone. If your Personal Hotspot is acting up after updating your iPhone, there are simple solutions to get your hotspot working smoothly again. Let's dive in. First, check your cellular and Personal Hotspot settings. Open the Settings app, tap on Cellular, and toggle cellular data off and back on. Then go to Personal Hotspot and ensure Allow Others to Join is turned on. If it's already enabled, try turning it off and then back on. This can often solve the problem. Next, if your hotspot isn't compatible with other devices, turn on the Maximize Compatibility feature. Head to Settings, tap on Cellular, then go to Personal Hotspot and enable the Maximize Compatibility option. Keep the Personal Hotspot screen open while connecting your other devices. For faster speeds, activate 4G or 5G. Go back to Settings, tap on Cellular, then scroll down and tap Cellular Data Options. Under Voice and Data, switch it to 4G or 5G, and turn off Low Data Mode. Don't forget to restart your iPhone after making these changes to apply them. If the issue persists, try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Confirm your choice. Just keep in mind that this will erase any saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you'll need to re-enter them later. Following these steps should have your Personal Hotspot back up and running in no time. If this guide helped, don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.